Let us start this video. Physics first chapter, that is electric charge and electric field. Next point, that is charge density. There are three types of charge density, that is linear, areal and volume charge density. They are represented by the symbol lambda and they are represented by sigma, and that is rho. Lambda is Q upon L, sigma equal to Q upon E, and rho equal to Q upon V. Here is the L, that is the length per unit length, area per unit area, volume per unit volume. And the definition for the linear charge density, that is charge per unit length, and for the areal charge density, that is charge per unit area, and the volume charge density, that is charge per unit volume. There are three types of charge density in your chapter, that is linear, areal and volume. So their unit is charge, that is coulomb meter inverse, coulomb meter inverse square, and the coulomb meter inverse cube. Millikan's oil drop experiment. By this experiment, Millikan's determined the charge of electron. With a very simple experiment performed by Millikan's, then that is known as Millikan's oil drop experiment. They take two parallel plates and their first is negatively charged and second is positively charged, and the electric field is towards get negative and positive charge in direction of electric field from the positive to negative plate. When the electron entering this between this plate, there are electric force are applied upward and their weight is downward. So it is a stable equilibrium, that F barabar QE into E is the electrostatic force and mg is the weight of electron, which are balance each other. So it is known as stable equilibrium. So that the stable equilibrium condition, that the upper plate is negatively charged and lower plate is positively charged. So the direction of electric field is toward from the positive to negative plate, and when an electron is enter between these plates, electrostatic force, that is F barabar QE, and their charge is electron. So the value of electronic charge into electric field is give the electrostatic force value, and it is applied upward, and the weight of electron is downward. Both are balance each other. So it is known as stable equilibrium, and by putting these value equal, solving the equation, we get the magnitude of the electronic charge, that is weight m for weight of electron, g acceleration due to gravity, and electric field between both plates.